Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can convert your physical T-Mobile SIM into an eSIM while keeping the same number and mobile plan. So first of all, before you even begin, you need to simply leave your physical T-Mobile SIM inserted in your phone. Don't remove it yet as it will continue working until the conversion is complete. Now, after this is done, you just have to launch your T-Mobile T-Life application on your phone and then simply sign in into your account. Now, after signing in into your account, you just have to select the line that you want to convert, and then you just have to select the option of begin transfer in the bottom. Then you just have to follow further on-screen verification steps. Once your request is approved, T-Mobile is going to download the new eSIM profile directly to your phone. So during this process, your physical SIM will automatically be deactivated. When the conversion finishes, you just have to simply just restart your phone if it is prompted. And when you see the T-Mobile bars appear on the status bar, it simply means that the conversion is successful. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.